Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing a OXO Good Grips silicone shower slash tub drain protector. So this catches hair and other clog causing debris, so you don't gotta use your Drano. See, it came in this. Alright, so high quality. You just cap this on top of the drain, and 1% for the planet. I don't know what that means. Sounds like they donate 1% to the planet, which is good. And this is pretty simple product. You put it over your drain to effectively catch the hair so that your drain does not clog up. All right, that's it. Hope you all enjoy. Hope this product works well. I am a fan of OXO products in the kitchen and cleaning, so don't have any concerns. Feels pretty durable. All right, hope you're all doing well. Talk to you next time. Later.